Ebufakazini obethulelwe inkantolo yemantshi yaseRitchie kudalule ukuthi Umsolwa oneminyaka engamashumi udlwengulele ogogo ngaphambi kokuzumeka embhedeni wakhe. Kusolakala ukuthi umkinye ngejuvethu wamvala nomlomo ukuze angakwazi ukumemeza ukucela usizo. Limniningwane ehlasimulisa umzimba ishiya izakhamuzi zithukuthele ziganunwabu.
We are sick and tired of this. So what we want as the community, we want the perpetrators not to get bail. We don't even want to see them walking in the street.
We had enough of this agenda-based violence. So I'm pleading to the minister, please do something about this, because this is getting worse and worse by the day.
Umndeni walesisulu esineminyaka engamashumi ayisikhombisa nesishiyagalombili ushaqekile ngalesigameko. Uthi Umsolwa ungumuntu owaziwayo emndenini.
What has happened is very terrible and it's painful. The suspect is my friend, and I didn't know what got into him.
I've never seen a thing like that from before, because you have read my grandmama for the whole night. So I'm very sorry in my heart.
Umbuso uyasiphikisa isicelo sebheyili ngelithi Umsolwa angasabaleke.
During the course of the bail hearing, you could understand that, looking at the severity of the case, we are fighting a battle that needs to be won against gender-based violence.
Umndeni kanye nezakhamuzi bathembele kumantshi kuba asebenzise leli cala ukuthumela isexwayiso esiqinile kulabo abahlukumeza besifazane. Kulindeleke ukuthi inkantolo isethule ngesonto elizayo isinqumo sebheyili malungana naleli cala.